8 video sharing sites to make money by uploading videos. Video is by far the most engaging form of content. Our brain is wired in such a way that when we watch something rather than read it, we remember much more of it. People spend 88% more time on websites that include videos, and videos are shared 1,200% more than images and text. This craze for videos among internet users has created opportunities for video creators. Many popular video sharing platforms, such as YouTube, cannot function without new video content every day. That is why they require video creators like you. You can earn money online by just uploading videos, and that's it. YouTube. YouTube is an American online video sharing and social media platform launched by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim in February 2005. YouTube, the second most visited website after Google, has already paid out more than $2 billion to people who upload videos to its platform. The best part about YouTube is that the large percentage of its content is free, allowing users to learn almost anything without spending any money. And this section of YouTube is beneficial to video creators because it allows them to upload their work. And video creators will benefit from this section of YouTube because they can make videos on almost any subject. YouTube's massive worldwide reach makes it an appealing video host. Whatever talent you have, make some videos about it and post them to your YouTube channel. You'll undoubtedly find your target audience. I've seen people use YouTube to change their lives. Facebook ad breaks. With over 2.41 billion monthly active users, Facebook is the most popular social media platform that allows users to monetize their videos through the Ad Breaks video monetization program. Ad breaks are short commercials that appear during a video. Publishers and creators have the option of including short ads in their video content and controlling their placement. However, there are some requirements that must be met. 1. You must have a page with over 10,000 followers. 2. In last 60 days, there should be at least 30,000 views. Only 1+ minutes views are counted on videos which are longer than 3 minutes. 3. And obviously you need to meet monetization eligibility standards. You can use ad breaks during a live broadcast once you've been approved for the program. For you to profit from a live broadcast, it must last at least 4 minutes and attract at least 300 viewers. If your broadcast is eligible, you'll see a dollar icon next to the ad breaks notification. Simply click it to take a break. You can take live breaks at any time for a greater benefit. Dailymotion. Dailymotion, like YouTube, is a video sharing website. It has over 400 million monthly viewers and offers a wide variety of interesting and engaging content. You can earn 70% of the ad revenue from videos you've uploaded if you use the site. Even better, if you share your Dailymotion video on your own website or blog, you can earn even more, and if the video is shared on a third-party website, you can earn even more. This is particularly advantageous for those who already have a large number of visitors to their own website. However, you must carefully follow their instructions and share it using the Dailymotion player, or you will not be able to make anything. Every time an ad is placed in one of your videos, the video monetization program on Dailymotion pays you. It helps you cultivate your audience by displaying relevant ad content and supports in-stream video ads to generate maximum earnings. To reach a larger audience and earn more money, all you have to do is upload high-quality videos and share them. To use this monetization scheme, you must first create a pricing list for your videos or channel, after which you can use it to sell your content. Unlike YouTube, you can use your logo to brand your videos. In addition, detailed audience and revenue analytics are available in your account. And then withdraw your earnings using Payoneer or PayPal. Vimeo. If you don't think YouTube is the best option for you, but something a little more mature is, Vimeo is the place to go. Vimeo is a more exclusive YouTube alternative. You won't be able to upload to Vimeo without paying a monthly subscription, unlike YouTube. This changes who posts on the platform, attracting a more established audience of video creators who are passionate about the process. Vimeo's pricing ranges from $7 per month for 5 GB per week to $20 per month for 200 GB per week. You can upgrade to their business plan for $50 per month to remove the weekly limit, depending on how many videos you'll be posting. You can also get unlimited live streaming for $70 per month. Vimeo is a great option for creators because it is less distracting than YouTube due to its ad-free model. Viewers won't be interrupted in the middle of your podcast episode or song if ads aren't present, giving them a better experience. Members of Vimeo Business can include an email capture form in their videos to encourage viewers to subscribe. You should always strive to control your audience, and the best way to do so is to convert your most loyal supporters into email subscribers. Vimeo has a Patreon integration. You can use Vimeo in conjunction with Patreon to create exclusive, member-only videos that are only shared with your fans if you want to start a membership program for your videos. Vimeo is the video hosting platform option for creators who want to provide their audience with an ad-free experience but don't require a large amount of distribution from their video hosting platform. Vimeo's options for adding email capture forms and integrating with Patreon make it a good choice for established creators or those who don't need algorithms to boost their content. Vimeo also has its own community of creators with whom you can interact, learn, and possibly convert into fans. When compared to YouTube, their platform is far more creator-centric and driven. Vimeo is unnecessary for budget-conscious creators. You can save your money and put it towards the video equipment you'll need instead. If you start out by uploading videos to YouTube, you can always move those videos to your Vimeo profile once you've mastered the platform. You are never obligated to use the video hosting platform that you initially select. Vimeo isn't the right platform for you if you have the budget for it but plan to make money from ads. You won't be able to make money from videos like you can on YouTube without an ad model. To make money from your videos on Vimeo, you'll have to rely on outside revenue, by selling products, tickets, or exclusive content. Twitter Amplify. Twitter's pre-roll ads and ability to monetize video content in multiple ways help you earn money from videos. Its fantastic Amplify publisher program lets you monetize your tweets, including videos, and share in the revenue generated. Only US publishers working with Twitter partner managers are eligible for the Twitter Amplify publisher program at this time. The minimum payout remains at $100. You can opt in or out of this program at any time, thanks to Twitter's flexibility. You can also opt in tweet by tweet or preset monetization for all tweets, videos. The team will send you a confirmation email once you've been accepted into the program. You'll see a monetization tab in the Media Studio once you've joined Twitter Amplify. Your earnings will be displayed in the Analytics tab, and you will be paid via direct deposit, ARC, or PayPal after 2 months. Brightcove. Brightcove offers a lot of choice for video makers to earn cash through their site. By uploading videos, usually short documentaries, you can choose to make money through advertising. Like YouTube, you'll get a share of the profits depending on the number of ads viewed on your videos. Brightcove goes further than YouTube on the options though, allowing creators to specify exactly what kind of ads they want displayed. Set them to play at specific cue points, or insert banners and video overlays. The amount of freedom for perfectionist video makers is vast. Beyond ads, syndication is another option. You can choose to allow your videos to be shown elsewhere on the web, earning a fee in the process. This is also an excellent way to increase the spread of your video content with trusted affiliates. Brightcove is on the ball with its tech, allowing for live streaming and data-driven feedback on how you're doing. For serious online video makers, it's a platform that allows a lot of freedom and control over how you make a profit. So, for those with a keen eye on marketing themselves, Brightcove is a strong contender for building brand awareness of your video making business. Amazon Video Direct. It offers you the flexibility to earn royalties based on hours streamed by Amazon Prime members. This program supports video resolutions up to 1080p Full HD and makes your titles available on its Amazon Video. From this service, users can stream and watch your videos online, or rent or buy the videos, and you get a profit share. To set up your Amazon Video Direct account, you need to link your Amazon account with the program, and then create your company profile. You can post videos that you own, and review the streaming statistics, subscription metrics, and revenue from your dashboard. Also, you can see the projected revenue and payment history from your account. Amazon Video Direct lets you promote your video titles in the US and several other locations. You can choose one or a combination of the royalty programs for revenue share, from rentals and purchases to monthly subscriptions and ad impressions. The payment is directly done to your bank account via wire transfer or electronic funds transfer. Eligibility requirements: you must upload videos that you own. You must reside in a country wherein Amazon supports electronic payments. Wistia. If Vimeo feels like it's almost there, but you want something with a little more kick, we suggest taking a look at Wistia. Wistia is a video hosting platform that has a few more features than Vimeo. Like Vimeo, there aren't ads on the platform, so you won't be able to make money from an ad platform. Unlike YouTube though, you still get to create that distraction-free experience for your audience. Wistia does have a free option, but only allows you to upload 3 free videos or podcast episodes. You'll also have the Wistia branding on your videos, if you stick with the free option. After their free plan, you can choose between their Pro plan, $99 per month, which allows you to upload 10 free videos, or their Advanced plan, which offers 100 free videos. This platform is the best option for video creators who don't intend to upload video after video. With a limit on how many videos each profile can upload, with a maximum of 100, creators who don't need to consistently create new videos are an ideal fit for Wistia. With their feature to add chapters to your videos, musicians can show their audience what songs they're playing, comedy shows can highlight which comedian is taking the stage and when, and educational videos can break their content up into digestible segments. Wistia isn't necessary for brand new creators or creators who know they'll be uploading 100 plus videos in the near future. We see you daily vloggers. If you plan to upload lots of videos in your future, a platform like Vimeo or YouTube is a better option. This platform also isn't for creators who want their video hosting platform to help them grow their audience without having to understand video marketing. It offers more robust marketing features like SEO and the ability to create ads for your videos, but this will be a time-consuming learning curve that isn't necessary for brand new creators. You can always come back to this platform down the line when you're ready for it. Are you ready to make money by making videos now? If you're looking for a reliable way to make money from your videos, check out the sites I mentioned here. I recommend that you test a few sites based on your content, site authority and traffic, and profit share, and then choose the best. Also, don't forget to concentrate on the quality of your video and its content. Content is king. This is because the more unique and high-quality videos you upload, the more views and downloads you'll get, which means more revenue for you. If you find this helpful, please share so I can help more people who are just starting out to make money by uploading videos. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, so I can continue making videos like this in the future.